It's time to envision your new home. We offer easy-to-use online tools like interactive floor plans, room designer, and virtual tours to help you visualize and put your personal stamp on your living space. To start, choose your floor plan. Which of our consumer-inspired, innovative, and flexible floor plans is right for you? Do you prefer a single-story or two-story home? How many bedrooms will you need? These are the decisions that start to bring the home of your dreams to life. You can explore these options using our website's interactive floor plan tool, which also includes a furniture planner to conceptualize the spatial design. Next, select your home site. Are you looking for privacy or convenience? Do you want to be in a cul-de-sac or closer to a park? Using our website's interactive map tool, you can familiarize yourself with the community and select the home site that best fits your needs. Now it's time to choose structural options to personalize the layout of your home. Will your extra room be a bedroom with a bath or an office? These options vary by floor plan and community, but may include a flex space, a sunroom or patio, a garage extension, and home exterior. After your home purchase agreement has been signed, you will begin to select the fixtures and finishes that bring your home design to life. Using our room designer tool, choose cabinet layouts, countertops, flooring, and more. You can also check out our online videos for tips and schedule an appointment to meet with our design consultants. Keep in mind, if you selected a quick move-in home, construction will have already begun based on a pre-selected home package chosen by one of our experienced designers. So please be advised that there may be limited design options to choose from depending upon the stage of your home's construction. As you envision your new home, these are the primary components that make up the total purchase price. To learn more, connect with a sales consultant to begin personalizing your new home.